At this time, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Student Council will be meeting today during both support periods. Remember to tell your support teacher that you will be at the meeting and report to Miss Pease's room if you are in 8th grade and Mrs. Walter's room if you are in 7th grade. Teachers, please excuse these students. Again, there is a Student Council meeting today during support. We will be discussing the Veterans Day breakfast. Attention students who are interested in international travel, wildlife snorkeling, and science. In the main office, you can pick up a flyer about a summer travel program to the Galapagos Islands to do all of this and more. This 9-day program will be led by Mrs. Julie Milkey, who has years of international travel experience. Informational meetings are to be held next week, so please come to the office this week and pick up the info packets. Packets are printed on blue paper. Attention all Learwood students, Math Counts starts this Thursday after school. What's Math Counts? It's an hour of different types of math games and other academic activities. Bring your friends, enjoy the pop and snacks, win chocolate cupcakes by out-calculating your buddies on interesting math problems. Later in the year, we'll compete against other schools at Lorain County Community College. Come to room 503 on Thursday from 3 to 4 to check it out. Just show up. No reservation is needed. We'd love to have you be a part. The 7th grade conference football team defeated North Olmsted 28-8 to finish with a perfect 8-0 record. Sean Summers ran for 2 touchdowns and had an interception. Jake Ratcliffe ran for 2 touchdowns. Nate Sacalo scored on a 2-point conversion on passes from Griffith Lydyard and Michael Corbo. Gage Dessler had an interception, while Jake Fry and Kevin McKinley had fumble recoveries. Also having great games were Sam Mikulich, Mason Wheeler, Ryan Bauman, and Blake Cordish. Students and teachers, Wednesday, October 21st is Unity Day, which is Anti-Bullying Day. To show that you are against bullying, you should wear orange. So make sure to show your support on Unity Day and wear orange. On an unrelated topic, Wednesday, October 21st is also the day that Marty McFly went to the future. Just think, we should have flying cars and hoverboards by now.